Welcome to this exercise regime. Obviously this is set up for a specific patient, you know who you are. This workout should take around 15 minutes or so. We can start off with a nice gentle relaxing and easing of the back before we go into a little bit of stretching. So starting off just on your back, remember bend your knees up as close as possible and then just rolling over to the left to start off with. Hold it there, roll to the right. Left, right, and left. This time just give it a gentle rock while you're there. It's almost just try and push yourself slightly further. 3, 2, 1, and back over to the right. Same thing, just rock while you're there. 3, 2, 1, and back to the middle. Okay, from there just straighten out your right leg and you're going to pull up your left leg just up above you and go into a nice hamstring stretch, and then just take your foot up and down, and up and down, up and down, up and down. You should feel that going right up into your calf and all the way into the back of your hamstrings. And just give it a gentle pull just towards you. Just rock it back and forth, back and forth. Good. Relax and down, swap to the other side. Leg comes up, put it in. Okay, and then toes up and toes down. Toes up and down. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Nearly there. Up and down, good. And now just taking it towards you, just rocking it back and forth. Good, keep it going. A couple more, should feel that stretch now. And relax. Good, okay. Turn over onto your front, we're going to go into downward dog and child's pose. So come right down, just stretch it out. Arms up above you, just reach up as far as you possibly can. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, and then come up onto your hands, up onto your feet, and bring it up into downward dog. Try and keep your back as straight as possible. Good, and come back down. All the way down. Stretch out. Arms up as far as you can. Okay, so really sort of like step your hands up as far as you can go. 3, 2, 1, then come back up. Upwards again, last time. Really push your shoulders forward, shoulders towards your knees as much as you can. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, from there, we're going to do your favourite one, where the legs are going to come up on the outside of your arms. You go up into a press-up position here. We'll start with the left leg. So the left leg comes up to your left hand. That's it. And then whilst you're there, just try and rock back and forth. So like you're on the ball of your foot, on your back foot, and just rock back and forth. Good. And then with your left hand, just want you to reach down towards your knee. And then up and over, and try and touch the back of your leg. And back up and back down, touch the front of your knee. And then back up, back over, and touch the back. Last one. Touch the front of your knee, up, over, and touch the back. Good. Back into the press-up position. Leg comes back, and now we're going to swap to the other leg. So this leg comes up, hold it there. Rock back and forth. So just on the ball of your back leg, just rocking back and forwards. Good. Okay, and then take your hand, touch the front of your thigh, and then bring it up into a big circle, and then back down onto the back, and then round and underneath, and up into the back, and then up and round, and back to the front, last one, up and back, and then up and down. Good. Okay, relax it out. Just have a little stretch back down. It's good, hold it there. And relax. Okay, we're going to do a plank now. A bit further away. So we're going to do a plank. We're going to do a, so we're going to start the a little circuit now. So starting with a plank, and then we're going to go into press-ups afterwards. So plank starts off with 30-second hold, and I'm going to run the timer for you. Okay, so here we go. Up into the plank position. Ready? And we're going to make a start. Good, keeping your hips up. Good, get in there. It's 20. Five more. 2, 1, and relax. Good, take a rest. Okay, next thing we're going to do is press-ups. So we're going to do 10 press-ups. Ready? Let's get ready to start into the press-up position. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. 10 press-ups. Down and up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Take a breather there. So next one then is just with your weight. So bring your weight in. I know we talked about you having a dumbbell. So we're going to be in an all four position. Hold on to your dumbbell. If you want to raise yourself up slightly higher, you can just come up onto your fist on your opposite hand. If not, just hand down there. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're just going to pull up and then take it back down. Right, so we're going to do 15 of these. Are you ready? Okay, so weight at the ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arm all the way up to the top, 7, 8, 9, see how my elbow's coming right up, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more, 14 and 15. Good. Take a rest just there. We're now going to move on to the get up. So you can either do the get up with the weight, or you can just do the get up with, remember we haven't done a shoe on your hand before, or if you're just starting out then you can just do it with nothing. So I'll do it with the weight. So I'm going to do it so that my right arm, as I was doing the right arm on the last exercise, my right arm is the one carrying the weight, which means I need to lay on my right side. So laying on my right side in a fetal position, we start here and then we roll over onto our back with the right leg bent, left arm out to the side. Straighten our right arm, and then from there we're going to push up and onto my left elbow. So I've got to push from here and drive from that right foot. Okay, arm is up in the air. Then from here we're going to come up onto our hand, and from there we're going to push the body up in the air. My right arm is completely up in the air still, and bring the left leg underneath, facing towards the open side of my body. Then I can come up onto this left leg, right leg round at 90 degrees, and then stand all the way up, and then we reverse it. So the left leg is dropping down, right leg is still my supporting leg. So we come down, right leg turns out through 90 degrees. Left arm comes down onto the floor again. Left leg comes from underneath and straightens out, because remember we're going to lie down on our back. Then we put our backside back down, come down onto our elbow, and down onto our back. Weight back down, both legs bent, and roll back over into the fetal position. Good. Okay, so that's the right side get up done. And then, okay, so the next thing we're going to do is a squat. Okay, so you can do this with a weight if you wish. If you're going to use the weight, then you can just hold it just in front of your chest. Okay, so I'll do a sidearm view to start off with. And we're going to do 20 squats. Remember, if you want, you can always have a chair just positioned behind you, so you've got a position that you can squat down to. Obviously, the lower it is, the lower the squat position. Feet roughly shoulder width apart, where you feel about comfortable, same with the position. And don't forget, grip the floor with your toes, squeeze your buttocks, and then it's buttocks back, just touch, and come back up. Squeeze and down, that's 2. Keep gripping the floor, squeeze and down, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 more. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep gripping those feet. 5. Squeeze the buttocks first, grip the feet. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Good. Okay, so that's one full circuit. Obviously, we've only done everything on our right side to start off with. We're now going to reverse it, do it all again, and do it on our left side. So starting again with the plank. So we're going to plank for 30 seconds. Okay, second set, let's get ourselves in position for plank. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold the position. That's 15 seconds. Five more seconds. 2, 1, and relax. Good, just take a breather just for a second before we move on to doing press-ups again. Okay, let's get ready. 10 press-ups. Into the press-up position. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Good, get yourself ready for doing a row again, so you get your weight, put it in position. So remember, we're in an all-four position, so my left hand doing it this time. Get yourself ready, pulling it all the way up to the shoulder. And let's get ready, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm doing 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just past halfway, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, Nearly there. 14. Last one. And 15. And relax. Good. Okay, moving on to a get up. Get up with the left arm now. So if we're using the left arm, we lay on the left side. So left arms both out, and we're in the fetal position. And as we roll over onto our back, right leg straight, left leg bent, right arm out to the side. Then from there, push your weight up, or hand, or whatever you've got on your hand. And then from there, we're going to push up and drive from our left side, pushing our hip up and go up onto our right elbow. 3, 2, 1, push up. Good. Hold it there. Now we're going to come up onto our right hand and up. Good. And from there, we're going to push our hips up in the air and up. And then from here, we're going to take our right leg and drag it underneath us and all the way behind. Go. Good. And then from there, we're going to bring ourselves up all the way so we're off our hands. And then taking our left leg, we're going to twist through 90 degrees, turning to our right, and go. Then from there, we're going to drive up all the way into a standing position, and go. And up. Good. Now we're just going to reverse it. So dropping down, bending the right leg, and down. Good. Now my left leg's going to turn through and open up through 90 degrees to the left. Now I'm going to put my right hand down on the floor. Now my right leg's going to come underneath so that I'm ready for it to be able to lie down. Then we're going to come down onto our hips and then bend our elbow down onto the elbow and then come down and lie down onto our back. Bring the knees in, arms across and roll onto our side. Good. That's the get up done. Straight into the squat now. So last one. So I'm going to do it facing forwards this time. Okay, so we can do it with a weight as well, can't we? If we want, just holding the weight up in front. You can always have a chair behind you, remember, if you want to use that same position. Okay, so we're going to do squatting down in 3, 2, 1. 20 squats. Off we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget, grip the feet. 4, and squeeze the buttocks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, good. 2, grip the feet. 3, 4, 5, come on, last 5. 6, keep squeezing the buttocks. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. That's it, that should be your program done. I hope you can feel your heart rate raised, a little bit sweaty, and overall general body conditioning. Obviously, if you want to have a little stretch off now, feel free. You can stretch your quads, hamstrings and calf. Feel free to stretch your upper body as well. Arms across, arms up and over, arms out in front, arms behind. That'll be perfect. See you next time.